Hey guys, welcome back. So I've had the Apache RTX 300 for a while now. Today we are checking out the official TVS goodies. I got the TVS welcome kit which we are gonna unbox, and then a fancy ADV helmet which was launched with RTX. I have been using this helmet for some time, so I can share some observations with you because it looks amazing. But is it actually good? Let's find out. Coming to the welcome kit, it's a generic TVS welcome kit and nothing particular to RTX. You get a carbiner keyring, a lapel pin which you can put on your bags. Then you have a black coffee mug and it has a bandana in it. That's all. The most interesting thing about this kit was the price on the box and then also mentioning that this item is not for sale. Now, if you're new to this channel and you love seeing honest, real world ownership content for the RTX 300, do me a favor, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's get back to the video. The helmet is actually something you could use. The color is a 10 on 10, it matches the bike's personality perfectly. It's an aggressive, dual sport style helmet, but there are a few things you need to know before you rely on this one for your long rides. The padding inside is on the minimal side. While that sounds like a negative, it's actually a win for city use. In our 40-degree summers, it stays very airy and doesn't get as stuffy as a heavy padded race helmet. It features a ratchet lock, super convenient for quick errands when you are constantly taking the helmet on and off. Now, to start with the cons, this helmet is noisy. Because of the peak design and the thinner padding, once you hit highway speeds above 80 kmph, the wind noise is intense. There's a lot of whistling, so I wouldn't recommend this for your long rides. Despite the light padding, it's not featherweight. It weighs in at about 1.5 kg. Now, for a helmet without a sun visor, that's a bit on the heavier side. And since the padding isn't very thick, it doesn't have that snug feel. Now, if you have a slim face, you might feel some movement at high speeds. My verdict: while it looks great, since there's a limitation to its highway use, it's a great second helmet to have in your collection. Now, that's all for this video. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.